This creamy chickpea curry just so happens to be vegan, but I promise you, you're not going to be missing out on anything, and you're also able to cook this within 20 minutes, so perfect for during the week. So we're going to go in with some brown basmati rice, seasoning it with some soy sauce, and then in with some water. Bring that to a boil, cover that, and while that cooks, we're going to do our curry. And first of all, we're just going to go in with some oil and make some crispy chickpeas as the garnish. So I've got 2 cans of chickpeas here, and we're just going to go in with a small amount of the chickpeas and fry them off to get a really nice crispy topping. So while they're frying, we're going to get on with the other base ingredients. So I've got some silver beet here, and we're actually going to use the stalks to fry instead of onions. If you just take one of the leaves and hold the stalk, you can actually rip the leaves. It's not working. If you just hold the stalk, just rip the leaves off, and then we're going to use the stalk to fry off. I'm just going to finely slice these stalks, and we're going to be using the stalks of the coriander as well. So if you just take your coriander and wash the roots, there's lots of flavor in those roots. For the last few seconds of these chickpeas frying off, just add some cumin seeds and just use a slotted spoon to remove them on some paper towel. So crispy chickpeas are out. We can go in with that silver beet stalk and coriander stalks. So I've got some ginger, some turmeric, and some lemongrass. So instead of peeling the turmeric or the ginger, just use the spoon and you can push away the skin. We'll go straight ahead and grate everything. And then with everything grated, straight into the pan as well. So give that a stir through, and we can go in with some chili flakes, got some tamarind puree, some soy sauce, the rest of those chickpeas. Cook that off for a little bit, and we're going to go in with some vegetable stock and coconut cream. So that's been simmering for about 2 to 3 minutes, so we can add the silver beet leaves, and we're going to cook these until they're just wilted. So we'll just give that a quick season, and by the time that silver beet has wilted, the curry is finished, so we can plate up. If we get our rice, you'll see that it's absorbed all the water and the soy sauce, and we're just going to go in with some chopped and roasted almonds. That's just going to give the rice some really nice crunch. So just get it into a bowl, and we'll just top that rice with some of the curry. Just dollop on some coconut yogurt, and then we can top with some of those crispy chickpeas we made earlier, a few chili flakes, and the fresh herbs. And there it is, a very quick and very comforting vegan chickpea curry that's impressed even a meat eater like myself. For this recipe and more, head to delicious.com.au.